Hey, stop for a while and think. Imagine living in Africa and working in Europe or North America. There'll be no need to japa or travel abroad, right? Yes, you can eat your cake and actually have it. If this is the life that you desire, then join Audible Talents membership program. You'll be able to cultivate a sustainable and diversified income stream yielding a minimum of $1,000 per month. And you'll be able to successfully establish a thriving business with an initial investment of less than 100,000 naira only. You'll be able to forge a compelling personal brand and establish a robust online presence that sets you apart in the digital landscape. You'll also be able to unlock the ability to monetize up to 20 distinct skills concurrently, enabling multiple income streams and career diversity. Join us on this journey of empowerment and financial growth. My name is Franklin. Welcome to Audible Talents.